Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the letter sound. Okay? A. A is for ant. Ant. B. B is for bear. Bear. C. C is for cat. Cat. D. D is for dog. Dog. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. F is for fish. Fish. G. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H. H is for horse. Horse. I is for inkpot. Inkpot. J. J is for jam. Jam. Now K. K is for kite. Kite. L. L is for lion. Lion. M. M is for mango. Mango. N. N is for nest. Nest. O. O is for orange. Orange. P. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q. Q is for quill. Quill. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S. S is for sun. Sun. T. T is for turtle. Turtle. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Now V. V is for van. Van. W. W is for watch. Watch. X. X is for X-ray. X. Now Y. Y is for yak. Yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Very good. You should do practice every day. Bye-bye. Thank you.